Connecting feeder inlet and outlet to booster pump and venturi loop. The following steps assumes the booster pump and the venturi 1 1/2 loop from the pool recirculation piping has been completed per section 5.1 of the manual. Connecting the feeder inlet tubing line. Install or ensure installation of the 1/2 inch ball valve, strainer, and tubing connector at the booster pump discharge prior to the venturi. Be sure to install the ball valve prior to the strainer for easier maintenance and removal of the strainer basket. Estimate how much tubing is needed to make the connection between the feeder and venturi and cut the appropriate tubing length using tubing cutters. Install a 1/2 inch tubing connector to the 1/2 inch male threads on the back of the hopper. Connect the hopper inlet to the booster pump discharge using the 1/2 inch tubing. Connecting the feeder discharge tubing line. Install or ensure the installation of the 1/2 inch ball valve and tubing connector at the venturi suction. Remove the hopper, top half, of the feeder and place it on the floor. Remove the left and right base covers to expose the discharge assembly check valve and tubing connector. Estimate how much tubing is needed to make the connection between the feeder and venturi and cut the appropriate tubing length using tubing cutters. Maneuvering the feeder base for easier access, connect the 1/2 OD polyethylene tubing to the tubing connector. Wind the other end of the tubing through the hole in the base so that it comes out the back of the base. Connect the other end of the tubing to the tubing connector on the venturi suction.